Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I use the frame that I created on my own. I call it inverse frame, which I created in Photopea. Uh, this is how it looks like, where of course I'm putting a video at the back here. Okay, this is how it looks like. The video play at the back, not inside the frame itself. So I'm going to show you how the frame looks like. Yeah. So just wait a moment. This is the frame. I'm going to copy the frame, insert into new page. This is how the frame works. The video is actually shown the background of this shape. The video is not inside the shape. I'm going to show you how it looks like. I'm going to detach the video. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to copy this video, put it here first, delete this. So this is how it looks like. So this, I call it inverse. Instead of inside here, is actually outside of this design. So for now, I'm going to show you how I created this simple kind of a video with a picture at the back and with a shadow and with a text. So let's start now. Okay, I'm going to start with a blank page. I'm going to the project over here, project folder. This is where I save all my custom frame. Okay, I have pinned this shape of frame here. So I'm going to select this frame over here and I'm going to make it wider. So it covers the entire canvas. So now next, I'm going to place the video at the back here. This is the video. So I'm going to copy the video. Uh, Copy. Okay, I'm going to start paste on a new page first. Then I'm going to detach the video. Copy this video and place it over here. So here it looks, here how it looks like. Okay. Now the second thing I need to do is I'm going to place this image at the back of this frame. So I'm going back to this page again. I'm going to copy this image, the entire image, and place it over here. Now you can see now it's actually covering the entire video and frame. So it looks like it's going to turn into the background. So what I do is I'm going to press Control so it won't overlay the video. So now I have to go to the position now. I'm going to place it at the back. Definitely I need to adjust. Okay, looks like here you can see the sunlight and the sea line over here. So I purposely do it in such a way, the sunlight. Okay, now the second thing is I'm going to do kind of, you can see here the dark edge over here. I'm going to create a shadow of this shape. Now what I do is I'm going to duplicate this frame. If I press this frame, I'm going to duplicate. Copy, okay, duplicate the frame. And instead of video, I'm going to turn it to color. All right, now you can see the color. I change it to color instead of video. So I'm going to highlight, I'm going to make it lighter and place it at the back. Now, how do I get this effect over here is, of course, I have to select this layer. I press alternate on Windows. For Windows, I press alternate. For Mac, I can't remember what is the key that I need to press. So for now, I'm going to press alternate, and this cursor turn into two arrow and make it smaller. This is how I get the effect, shadow effect. All right. So now let's play the video and see how it looks like. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this word couple in love or whatever sentence that you would like to have. So I'm going to type a text over here. I'm going to select either one. I can't remember which sentence, which font that I use. Okay, I'm just use this font. I'm group this, delete this. I'm going to turn it to white. Couple in love. Of course, you can, if you want, you can choose your favorite font. But for this demonstration purposes, I'm just going to leave it as such. Or maybe I find another one that is, okay, just season. All right. Now, you can see here there is a shadow at the back. Now, let me show you. Can you see there's a shadow at the back? Now, this text font design, I did not use a shadow provided by Canva. Like this one, if I select this one, the effect, I did not use any of this shadow. I created this layer as a shadow on my own. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So click on this, duplicate this text, turn this to black color. The opacity, turn it down, transparency. So now if you look at the position, this black color is actually in front on top of the white. So what I do is I'm going to align it. Okay, now it's aligned. I'm going to bring it at the back. Then I have to adjust this white text layer slightly above. Now you can see this is the shadow. This is how I create the shadow. But of course, you can actually enhance it whether you want something different of this slightly intensity blur. It's up to you, or you can just create extra shadow or just leave it as none. So this is how I created this effect, shadow effect. Now, of course, you want to have a darker shadow. Definitely you have to go to position to find the text, make it darker. Okay. Now, for the shape of this curve, this is how you can select the effect here and turn it over here. Now again, because this is the effect of shape curve 63. Now I'm going to select this layer, turn it to curve, and curve at 63. Now you get this two effect of shadow. I do not want to use either of the shadow here because sometimes it's hard to adjust on the space over here. So now I am going to group these two together, and here you have it. This is how it looks like. So if you think this is helpful, maybe you are using this method, please comment, or if you have something better than this, please share your idea in the comment section. I hope this helps, or maybe someone expert over there can tell me what are the best method to do this. So I think that's it for now.